Ooh, I'm out of puff with all the stairs. So we've come to room 202 now, where the girls stayed in last night. So I'll just knock on the door. Who's there? Hello. So, so who's going to show me around this room?
Me.
Okay, tell all the viewers where everything is. So this is a family room. So you.
These are 2 beds. She slept in that one, and I slept in this one.
Yeah.
And this is Mummy's bed.
And that's what sort of bed is that?
Double.
Yeah, a sofa bed. That's right. Yes.
Wardrobe there.
And what do we get in the wardrobe?
Jacket and towels, and then
An ironing board.
you've got a TV with the remote.
Let's have a look at the TV. We'll just skirt round. And this is a double aspect room, 2 windows.
And then the TV's there, and here's a remote.
TV on the wall. And a nice one of them nice mirrors again. And is this your wall? Oh, and that's another cupboard there with duvets and pillows and everything.
There's a corpse in that bin bag.
And a corpse in the bin bag. So you've got your coffee and tea.
Stuff on our desk.
Yes.
With our lamps. And if Mum's phone. And if we go to the bathroom.
So you've got a double aspect, two windows. That's the view, just similar to the view we had out of ours. And then we'll go and have a look in the bathroom, shall we? A nice big rooms these, aren't they?
Really?
Yes. This is the bathroom.
And Esme will show you around. So if you switch your light on. Oh, light. Esme, you.
So this is the bathroom of the girls' family room. Oh yes, this is a lot bigger than the one we're in because ours is narrow. So that's a bath.
I don't know what it is.
And that's a shower over the bath. This is, Esme was wanting to see what this was. Now normally there would be a mirror on the end of that
Yeah.
for men shaving. Okay. But it doesn't have a mirror on for some reason. Hello everybody.
Hi.
So you got your normal sink,
Yeah.
toilet,
Normal toilet.
toilet rolls,
So,
a little frosted glass window up there. So yeah, it's a nice rooms as well. And that's room 202 at the Unicorn Hotel in Ripon.
And there's also a fan there.
Yeah, and the fan there because it's hot in these rooms. So there you have it. We've done 2 room tours in this hotel. Now we're going to take all the stuff back to the car and have a look around Ripon. Okay, everybody say goodbye for now. Yeah, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can take you to more places. It's free to subscribe. Bye for now.